A question I've been getting a lot lately is where do I start if I want Bitcoin exposure as a real estate investor? It's a good question and a very important one. There are two main areas to focus on. The first one is your treasury strategy, and the second is your financing structure. And in my view, every investor should start with the treasury. It's the foundation. Start by allocating a small percentage of reserves or free cash flow to Bitcoin instead of holding everything in dollars. Why? Because it's simple, controllable, and educational. You can control how much you allocate, how often you buy, and how you custody it. It's an introduction that forces you to learn, but also produces real benefits. Your Bitcoin treasury helps you preserve your purchasing power in an inflationary environment, build and maintain adequate reserves for things like maintenance, capital expenditures, and emergencies, and you improve your credit worthiness over time. A Bitcoin treasury is part of your operational defense. It's part of the day-to-day blocking and tackling of running properties in a system where curveballs are routine and expenses are rising faster than rent growth. Now, once you've established a Bitcoin treasury and you understand its role on the balance sheet, the next step is incorporating it into your financing through dual collateralized loans. This is where the lender underwrites both the real estate and the Bitcoin in a single unified capital stack. This structure matters for a couple of reasons. One, it's a long duration credit instrument that's written over 5, 7, or even 10 years. So you're not exposed to the daily price swings. You're underwriting a long-term trend. So this means no margin calls, no forced liquidations, and no rehypothecation. Second, you can consider it as credit enhancement. Bitcoin acts as an additive, liquid layer of collateral. It's improving the lender's position while preserving your upside. And third, it's a counterbalance. As the monetary premium drains from real estate, you are able to recapture that through the Bitcoin appreciation. You're balancing two assets that have two different roles and are moving in opposite directions. And here's what most people miss about this is that this structure actually reduces risk over time. Because as the Bitcoin appreciates and the loan amortizes, the collateral ratio improves. So every year the position gets stronger, not weaker. This is a bridge between the old system and the new one. It's creating something that our industry has not had in many decades, and that is predictability, incentive alignment, and anti-fragility. I hope this is helping provide some clarity on where to start. And remember, just start simple, start with your treasury. Then as you get more comfortable, move to the financing side. Access to these types of products are going to expand significantly in the months and quarters ahead. As always, I want to hear your thoughts. Drop them in the comments below or DM me. I'm also going to ask you to share this. Share this with your team, share it with your clients, share it with your lending partners. I need your help spreading the word. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you here next time.